wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best LED headlights. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the compact, capable and unusual siriusled X2 xenon come in a 3-sided design, the plentiful surface area of which allows for powerful illumination and lets you use these versatile bulbs for both high and low beam settings. They accept DC power from 9 to 24 volts and match a xenon white light color, but their light isn't focused enough. At number 8, this yumseen 72-watt conversion kit is one of the more affordable options for automotive LEDs, but don't think the lower price means poor quality. These bright and powerful units shine at 6000K, mimicking the color temperature of natural sunlight. They come with an aircraft-grade aluminum radiator and shockproof actuators. However, you need CAN-bus modification to reduce their flicker. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the zdatt H11 fog light conversion kit helps you supercharge those all-important lamps. If you regularly drive in rainy, snowy or foggy conditions, these bright but compact bulbs can help light the way without inhibiting your vision. They offer an adjustable beam angle and multiple color hues, but some units fail quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED headlights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, featuring Cree XHP50 chips with SC5 technology, the glowtech H4 conversion kit produces incredible color accuracy in whatever its diodes happen to illuminate, making it feel almost as though you're driving with your own little source of sunlight. It provides both high and low beams and projects up to 12,000 lumens. However, the cooling fans are noisy. Moving up our list to number 5, the OPT7 Flux Beam H13 require no warm-up time, providing you with instantaneous brightness so you can hit the road immediately. They feature the company's proprietary auxbeam technology that allows for an ideal beam pattern. These provide excellent water resistance and a modular heat protection fan, but they do suffer from occasional flickering issues. At number 4, these Cougar Motor Turbo H1 feature a 10,000 RPM turbo cool fan that keeps them safe even when they've been shining for hours at a time. Their beam pattern is always strong and focused and is free of any dark spots. They boast calibrated silicon lenses and a rainproof housing. However, they are prone to wobbling. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the powerful sngl Super Bright conversion kit is among the brightest option on the market. Its diodes are rated to last for up to 50,000 hours, and they'll even keep running if their fan should fail, ensuring that you won't have to replace them anytime soon. These are easy to install and suffer from minimal electromagnetic interference. They're guaranteed for 2 years. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED headlights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Hikari XHP50 conversion kit boasts a focused beam pattern that helps provide you with a clear image of the road while you're driving without aberrant reflections hitting you from strange angles to the vehicle's periphery. They provide a total of 9600 lumens and few to no dark spots, and they run without generating too much heat. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the 6000 lumens put out by the auxbeam F16 series 9006 is bright enough to dramatically increase your field of vision without being so intense that they might blind oncoming drivers and create a more dangerous situation than otherwise intended. These will work in a wide range of operating temperatures and come with dual Cree diodes on each light. They're backed by a 1-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED headlights, or simply click beneath this video.